It's a little play set, so you can do your food on it. No, Lola.
And here. No, Tommy. Come. This is so funny. You got push to watch. Yeah, you're right. It was Mater. I was right.
You were right.
It was Mater. And here. And here. Here, Tommy. I'm gonna look. Whoa, this is so awesome. Did you like that car? Yeah. No, it has Mater and white be clean. Yeah. No, we're right. Huh?
Okay.
And open this one is. What is it? Lazy people. What is it? I think it's the playbook. No. I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a movie. No. It is a book.
No.
It's a movie. I knew
It's
it.
like a movie.
It's not a movie.
It's a CD for in the car.
Oh, what is this? You got it from Costco?
I did.
Yes. Yes. I know it. This is big. Yeah, show toys. Let's see who's in it. It's so tall. I will hold this.
Okay.
What is it? Come on, people. Open it. Open it. Yeah, it's another box. Just say what's this one? No, don't open it.
Tommy, be nice.
Open it. What is it? Look. See what it is.
Nope, the other way. Nope, turn it around. Right in the front. Yeah. That part just comes up. Yeah.
Oh, new socks.
And what else?
These are panties.
Big boy undies? And socks.
Whoa! Oh! Can we open this one?
Yeah, we can open it.
Yeah! We'll open it! Can we open Mater?
Yep, we can open Mater.
Okay.
Tommy, what do you say?
Thank you.
Look at me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right. Good job.
Mom, I wished it that way. Tommy's birthday. You like a birthday. Mom, I wished about the whole house we're in.
What did you wish about?
The whole house we're in.
The whole house we're in?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So
Okay.
can